Waking up in truth is so much better than living in a lie. I love working. I'm a workaholic, and I'm really privileged for some of the jobs I get offered. And so, I just want to keep going. My definition of badass is that I'm a force of nature in true spirit. I'm self-admitting that. And it sounds vain to say that, but I am. I'm an ambitious person. I never consider myself in competition with anyone. And I'm not saying that from an arrogant standpoint. It's just that my journey started so long ago, and I'm still on it, and I won't stand still. My father always told me that a fool at 40 is a fool for life. I wasn't bad at school, but I was never a bookworm. There's the argument that you can relate to someone who's completely unrelatable, in the way that a director shows you his imagination on a film. Then I get to show you my imagination in a big, dumb character. I come from an era, in my world, where you just had to define yourself as who you are and what you do. I happen to be an actor. I happen to be someone that loves to act, that also likes music, that also likes to speak, and that also has an opinion. The only thing I change mainly is my sneakers. I love sneakers, but everything sort of black or jeans. Jeans always. I love bikes. I used to own one, but I fell off of it when I was younger, and that was the end of my bike riding days until now. I'm never shaken or stirred. I'm rebelling against being handed a career. Like, you're the next this, you're the next that. I'm not the next anything. I'm the first me. I can't be myself. I can't just be Idris Elba. But that's just the nature of the business. If I was gonna go to jail, I don't want to go to jail for stealing a bottle of water. I'll steal that 20 million. At least then, it was worth it. When I look at my body of work, I've played a lot of characters who are morally conflicted. I'm right. No, I'm wrong. I don't know what to do. I want to play more characters who don't care as much and who aren't as measured. They are what they are. No apologies. The long and short of it is that I am now in a position in England to greenlight movies. And that's really excellent. Not high budget movies, but movies nonetheless. I think The Wire really is relatable. It reflects an ongoing issue across America about inaccuracies in major cities between rich and the poor, and some of the things that go on behind the red tape of council and government bodies.